You remember when I interviewed Jimmy Creedon? And he said the guys to worry about are the twins from here because they don't care about their equipment and they care about the show. He was talking about that guy right there. That's exactly who he was talking about. You guys give it up for Double Trouble, Tyler Garage. The roles are always fun. I'll tell you what, give it up for him. Pretty nasty hit right there. I'm gonna see all the pressure. See what all this is. Oh man, he's got a broken sway bar. He's got cracks all over the body. His body is done. He's gonna go through a lot of duct tape on that one. All right, you guys, I got the man right here with me. Give it up for him. Jimmy Creedon put the bad juju on you guys. I'll tell you what. He said it. I don't know if you heard. Did you hear what he said about you?
He said what he said, but he was back there when I was coming out and he was doing this, so I can't let Jimmy Creedon down.
Ain't that the truth? It's Jimmy Creedon. So tell me what happened there, man. What was going on? How did that happen?
The rear steer was a little slow, but you guys are loud, crazy. I don't think there's been a rollover here in a couple of years, so you got two, and there's still some really good trucks. So stay loud. We got a lot of fans, family here, so we'll fix that for next weekend.
Come on. Just look this way. Hey, you guys, give it up to Tyler one more time. Awesome run there. Double trouble. How about it? 2 rollovers in one night, huh? You guys are getting your money's worth. I'll tell you what. That was awesome. That was awesome. If you guys are having fun, let me get that. Ow! Oh, that's a beautiful thing. You guys, we still have the Destroyer. We still have Wildflower. We still got Plan for Kids, Top Flies, and Bounty Hunter. We got a serious field still yet to come out here, so don't go anywhere. The Dragon's just gonna keep getting better and better. In case you aren't wondering though, we do not take a score during a rollover. You must run your entire 2 minutes to be in run for getting a score. So my judges, if you're wondering how come I haven't asked, that's why. Oh, I mean the rollover is cool, but this is an official competition. These guys want to win because of skill, not because of the rollover. You know what I mean? All the true monster truck fans know what I mean. These guys are competitive, and they want to win. Not just because they tore up their stuff, but because they're really good. But I like it when they tear up their stuff, you know what I mean? Woo! Come on, Darren, can't you just like grab that thing and lift it? Put your back into it, Darren, put your back into it. Awesome crew, again, shout outs to the fast responding WGAS track officials. It's the name of the game, y'all, that build them up to break them down. We're gonna get this thing chained up and hooked up and out of here. While we got a break in the action though, in case you guys missed the lineup of the entertainment that is coming to the State Fair in September, let me run you down on these guys one more time because you guys have an amazing group of entertainers coming to the State Fair here September 11th through the 27th. Listen to the names that are going to be at you guys' State Fair. Keith Urban. Yep. Heart. Got Heart fans in here. You guys are going to have Weird Al here. And that's just the start. We got Jake Owen, Fifth Harmony with Ben Miller. Oh! And Jason Derulo is going to be here. I mean, it's crazy. It's an awesome group of entertainment. I mean, it rivals what fairs are doing around the country. It really is. That is an amazing group of entertainers. And that's just some of them. You guys can go to thefair.com to get the whole list, get your tickets, and get hooked up. Who was that? Where you at? Where you at, girl? I heard it. I don't like it. Let it go again. Do it again. Yes. All right, he's fired up, and he's getting out of here. Oh man! Look at that. That's a custom body job. He's got no steering wheel. This big guy has a steering wheel in his hand, which probably means he has no front steering. For those of you that don't know, monster trucks are steered with two separate steering. There's steering for the front tires, and then there's a separate lever that lets them steer the back independently. So this is what he's doing. His front steering is obviously broken. You guys can see bars and stuff hanging out the front of it. So what he's doing is driving right now with just his rear steering. Looks like he thought he could pull it out of there, but it's not going to work with him. So we're going to get the lift out here and we're going to drag him out. Are y'all ready for the next one? It's the Destroyer! Woo! Let's go! Go! How's it going? Oh, he's feeling good. Wait.